I am Piyush Sharma from class 8th standard in BRC Academy, Rudhali Basti. Today I am going to explain about our solar system. Solar system is the family of sun, which includes 8 planets, satellites, comets, asteroids, etc. At first, we are going to discuss about sun. Sun is the head of our solar system. First point, it is nearest star to the earth. Second point, sun surface made up only gases. Third point, sun is hydrogen and helium are main gases made of sun. Mass of sun is equal to 1.989 into 10 to the power 30 kg, which is 3,32,830 times as heavy as the earth. Its diameter is 1.39 into 10 to the power 6 kilometer, which about 108.97 times bigger than earth. Its mean density is equal to 1400 kilogram meter cube. Its mean surface temperature is 6000 degrees Celsius. Its core temperature is 15 million degrees Celsius. Its constituents are, for number first, hydrogen, number second, helium, and number third, other gases. Like carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, etc. Hydrogen percentage is 92.1%. Helium percentage is 7.8%. And other gases percentage is 0.1%. Now I am going to explain about planets. Planets, a heavenly bodies revolve around the sun, is called planet. The first planet of our solar system is Mercury. Distance between sun and Mercury is 57.91 billion kilometers. It takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It takes 58 days, 15 hours, 30 minutes to complete one rotation. It has no own moon. Second planet is Venus. Distance between sun and Venus is 108.2 million kilometers. It takes 225 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It takes 116 days, 18 hours to complete one rotation. It has also no own moon. The third planet is Earth. Distance between Earth and Sun is 149.6 million kilometers. It takes 365 whole 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution and 24 hours to complete rotation. And it has one moon. The fourth planet is Mars. The distance between Sun and Mars is 227.9 million kilometers. It takes approx 2 years to complete one revolution around the Sun and 1 day 37 minutes to complete one rotation. And it has two own moon. The fifth planet is Jupiter. The distance between Jupiter and Sun is 778.5 million kilometers. It takes 11.86 years to complete one revolution around the Sun and it takes approx 10 hours to complete one rotation. And it has 63 own moon. The sixth planet is Saturn. The distance between Saturn and Sun is 1.434 billion kilometers. It takes 29.46 years to complete one revolution around the Sun and it takes 10 hours 42 minutes to complete one rotation. and it has 30 own moon. The seventh planet is Uranus. The distance between Sun and Uranus is 2.871 billion kilometers. It takes 84 years to complete one revolution around the Sun and 17 hours 14 minutes to complete one rotation. And it has 27 own moon. The last planet is Neptune. The distance between Sun and Neptune is 4.495 billion kilometers. It takes 165 years to complete one revolution around the Sun and 16 hours 6 minutes to complete one rotation. And it has 14 own moon. Now I am going to discuss about constellation. Constellation means Taramandal. A group of stars forming some kinds of recognizable figure in pattern. Till now, 88 constellations has been recognized. Now I am going to discuss about comets. Beautiful body in the solar system with a distinct head and a luminous tail moving across the sky. Now I am going to discuss about asteroids. The rock pieces that revolve around the Sun between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Now I am going to discuss about light year. Light year, the distance traveled by light in 1 year is called light year. The value of light year is 9.461 into 10 to the power 15 meter. At last, there are also some dwarf planets in our solar system: Pluto, Eris, Orcus, etc. So, this is our complete solar system. Thank you so much.